How to read Igbo. Pronunciation guide. In this lesson, I will teach you how to read and pronounce Igbo words. The words you will see in this lesson are Igbo words. I will teach you how to pronounce them so you don't mistake them for English or you don't pronounce them as if they are English words. The first one is, in English, it will be spelled S-I-T-E, but is an Igbo word that is spelled C-E-T-A, site. Site means from. We have this one that will be spelled B-I-T-E in English, but this is Igbo. It should be spelled B-E-T-A, bite. Bite means borrow. This is spelled in English Z-O-O. It's actually the same spelling in Igbo, but in Igbo it is zo. So zo is hide in Igbo. This one will be spelled M-E-R-E in English, but it is an Igbo word that should be spelled me-e-re-e, mere. Mere means did, past tense of do. This one in English will be spelled L-I-E, but it's an Igbo word that should be spelled le-e-e, lie. Lie means bury. This would be spelled this will be spelled I-R-E in English. In Igbo, it is an Igbo word that should be spelled ire. Ire means tongue. This in English will be spelled D-O-T-E, but is an Igbo word that is spelled D-O-T-A. Dote. Dote means keep. This will be spelled E-K-E in English, but is an Igbo word and should be spelled A-K-A. Eke. Eke is one of the days of the Igbo week. This would be spelled in English as E-G-O. As an Igbo word, it should be spelled E-G-O. Ego. Ego is money. This would be spelled in English as R-U-E. As an Igbo word, it should be spelled Re-U-E. Rue. Rue means rich. This, if this is an English word, it will be spelled as B-E-E, but as an Igbo word, it is B-A-A, be. So be aqua. Be is cry. Is the verb for cry. This as an English word will be spelled as T-I-E. As an Igbo word, it is T-E-A, tie. Tie. Tie is beat. This in English will be spelled as W-E-R-E. As an Igbo word, it is we-a-re-a, were. Were. Were is take. This in English will be spelled as L-E-E. But here it is an Igbo word that should be spelled as le-a-a. Le. 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 Le is look. Look. And this in English will be spelled B-E. But as an Igbo word, it is B-A. Be. Be. Be is home. So when I say bem, I mean my home. Bem, my home. When I ask you ndi begikwan, I mean how is your family? How is your home? Or how is the people of your home? Be. This in English will be spelled S-E-E. But as an Igbo word, it is C-A-A. And it's say for float. Say means float. This in English will be spelled as S-U-E. As an Igbo word, it is C-U-A. Sue. Sue. Sue alcohol is set ablaze. Sue. This in English will be spelled as W-E-E. In Igbo, it is we-a-a. Where. So you can say where iwe. Where iwe, get angry. This in English will be spelled as T-O-O. Is the same spelling in Igbo, but in Igbo it is pronounced to. So you can say tochi. To means praise God, or to praise me.